Okay, I'm going to show you how to auto align a couple layers real quickly and easily, and I'll manage to do it in under 5 to 10 minutes like most YouTube videos. Okay, so I've got this picture of my handsome face and this other picture of my handsome face. And you can see what we did here is darken the backdrop. And I actually want to blend these layers a little bit too. But notice when I click on here, there's a little bit more space above my head in the two pictures. So I'm just going to drag and drop this one onto the other one. And you could try to kind of move it around and line it up as best as you can. And I'm going to reduce the opacity to like 50% here. So you can see blurry here. They're not aligned properly, right? All you need to do to auto align these is unclick your background layer, unlock your background layer so that way they're both available. Select both of them so they're both selected. Go up to Edit, Auto Align Layers. You can change your perspectives if you want, especially if maybe you're doing more of a landscape or something like that. But for something simple like this one, just leave it on auto, hit OK. Photoshop does its magic, and look, you can see the eyes are nice and sharp, which means the auto align is complete. And now what I can do is blend my layers like I want to do. And that's it. That's all you need to do to auto align. Like I said, I don't know why other YouTube videos need to spend 5 to 10 minutes on this. It only takes a couple minutes. All right, bye.